Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and tap on Passwords and Accounts. Now click on Google under Passwords at the top and click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit. Following that, enter your current login method and click on Edit next to Delete. Finally, you can change wherever you wish to. And then save your changes by hitting Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password and username has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!